This is going to be a quick video of me installing a Streamlight TLR-6 on a G43x. I do unbox it first, which is after I clear the gun. That's going to be the first thing you see. Here you do see me clearing the firearm, making sure that there's no ammunition in it, and I actually move it off the to the edge of the table there. The unboxing is pretty simple. It's just a standard plastic container with some instructions, a sticker. Who doesn't love getting a free sticker? And then a warranty card. There, I was just glancing through the instructions just to see if there's anything in particular. It's pretty straightforward. So now I'm just taking the light out, as well as the included batteries and the included Allen wrench. There are 3 screws on the right-hand side of the TLR-6 that you have to take out first. So when you take those 3 screws out, the 2 halves just separate. On the bottom of the TLR-6, there is a latch that holds the batteries in place. You also do have to undo that in order to separate the 2 halves. But the install is real easy. So once you have those 3 screws, removed, as well as the latch undone, all you do is you pretty much take the 2 halves and kind of pinch it around the trigger guard. It is a snug fit. Actually, I ended up using these screws to kind of pull the 2 together because it was such a snug fit. But once it is installed, it is a really solid connection. The next step, so once all 3 screws are back in place and it's held nice and snug on the firearm, I am just kind of double checking the tightness on all the screws, making sure it doesn't come loose. And next I'm going to install the batteries. Me being me, not reading instructions, I did install them the incorrect way, which is what you're going to see, and then I go to test it and it doesn't work. So I pull the batteries back out and I install them the correct way. So once the batteries are installed correctly, you can see the laser on the towel there. It turns right on. I do play around with it a little bit, trying to figure out how to work or switch between the laser and the light, which is super simple. You hold, there's 2 buttons, there's one on the right and one on the left. You hold one button down and then cycle through using the other. But that is how you install a Streamlight TLR-6 on a G43X. Please like and subscribe.